Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create these noodles, mi goreng. I don't know, I call it that because it's my favorite instant noodle ever. Actually, I like the one with the broth. Anyways, that is not an issue right now, but this is inspired by Kuza DTI. They made like steak, burger, ramen, spaghetti. This was the best that I could do. You can follow my steps or you can create your own, but it looks like this. But you're just going to go here for the plate. You're going to use the sombrero hat for it. You can use other hats, but this one's the one that I saw. I just adjusted to scale at 1, and that's pretty much it. I just made it really big. For the egg, I used this like cat, and I colored it white. This is the position, X at 0.68, Y 0.81, and Z at 0.46. Rotation, X at 0, Y at 0.81, scaled at 1. Then for the broth, I used this hat right here, this big hat in this color. It's just this color here, and I colored it using the silk material. Adjustments, Y at 0.55, and scaled it up to 1. For the noodles, I used these 3 hairs in the same color, this color right here. And for the first one, this one, I positioned it at X 0.25, Y 0.66, Z 0.36, rotation X at 0, Y at 1, Z at 0.17, and scaled at 1. For the second hair, I used the one with the bangs here, position X 0.85, Y 0.68, and Z 0.81. Rotation X at 0.16, Y at 0.72, Z at 0, and scaled it to 0.64. Then for the last hair, I did position X at 1, Y at 0.85, Z at 0.55, rotation X at 0, Y at 1, Z at 0, and scaled it to 0.47. For the yolk, I used this like beret hat. Colored it this orange right here in silk, actually in light silk. Position X 0.68, Y at 1, Z at 0.50, rotation X at 0.46, Y at 0.64, Z at 0.40, and scaled it to 0.55. Obviously, it only works on free play because you're only going to be able to, I guess, take a picture. This is just for content, I guess, because if you walk the runway, you're just going to look really weird. But it's a fun thing to do with adjustments. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.